All newspapers carried yesterday that Tata Airbus military transport aircraft manufacturing facility will be created in the state of Gujarat. This was announced by the Defence Ministry. Today, there were follow-up reports in different newspapers. The Indian Express carried a report saying that how the Union Cabinet Minister Nitin Gadkari had pitched for the same project at Nagpur. How the discussions and negotiations had gone on for years. When the BJP government was in power, when Fadnavis was the chief minister, he also wanted it to be located in Nagpur, and it had almost become finalized. But suddenly, this announcement by the government of India that the project will be based in Gujarat has fought everyone. In fact, similar kind of a shock announcement came last month. Shock announcement for the people of Maharashtra. And Indian Express reported today how there had been major discussions about locating the semiconductor complex in Maharashtra. Land had been identified and earmarked, but the massive Vedanta Foxconn semiconductor complex, at the intervention of the central government last month, went to Gujarat again. Gujarat again got the Bulk Drug Park project. Bulk Drug Park is becoming a new experiment which would provide enormous degree of local employments. Maharashtra was pitching for it, but it went again to Gujarat. It's not a question of discrimination between Maharashtra and Gujarat. In fact, yes, Maharashtra, there was the Shiv Sena government, MBA government which was there till June. But for the last 3 months, it's the BJP government which is in power in both the places. So it's losing, one BJP ruled state is losing a project to another BJP ruled state. How does it matter? Well, it doesn't matter, but question is the kind of coincidence, the timing. Gujarat goes to election by the end of this year. And that's the reason there have been reports. Indian Express has been carrying many reports showing how project after project after project intervened by the government of India are going to Gujarat one after another. Isn't it putting on head the India's industrial policy? We had a socialist policy for which Congress government was criticized, rightly so, that government determines which project to be owned by whom and to be located where. In 91, with the liberalization process began, certain kind of relaxations happened. Over the years, this reforms process should have been advanced. But we come to a situation today where again the governments are deciding, not the private corporate houses which are going to set up their industries. It's the government of the day which is deciding where the project should go. Infrared Express also reports Maharashtra minister, on condition of anonymity, the minister belonging to the BJP says Gujarat election is there, so all projects will now go to Gujarat. And 6 months to 9 months before the Maharashtra election, projects will come to Maharashtra. Why politicize this investment? Isn't it a bad omen? Isn't it bad for the industry and bad for the country?